Thinking about hosting your own apps? Two tools keep coming up, Dokploy and Portainer. But which one should you pick? Let's break down the differences and see which one is the right one for your needs. Dokploy is a new player. Think of it like having your own Heroku or Versal, but you can control everything. It's designed to make deploying apps super easy. You get one-click templates for popular apps, automatic backups, and built-in support for databases like PostGREs and MySQL. It uses Docker behind the scenes and comes with automatic SSL certificates. Dokploy is completely free and open source, created specifically for developers who want simple deployments without paying monthly fees. Portainer has been around much longer. It's like a control panel for Docker. You can see all your containers, manage multiple servers, and even work with Kubernetes. Portainer gives you total visibility into what's running on your system. It has advanced features like user permissions, team management, and support for Docker Swarm. There's a free community edition for personal use and a paid business edition with extra security features for companies. Portainer is trusted by thousands of businesses worldwide. Here's where they differ. Dokploy focuses on making deployments that simple. You connect your GitHub repo, click deploy, and you're done. It handles the technical stuff automatically, perfect if you want to host your own apps without learning Docker commands. Portainer is more about managing containers that are already running. It gives you detailed control over every aspect of your Docker setup. You can inspect logs, manage networks, and control resources. It's powerful but has more features to learn. Choose Dokploy if you want to deploy web apps quickly, need automatic backups, or want an alternative server to cloud hosting services. It's great for developers building projects. Choose Portainer if you need to manage lots of containers, work with multiple servers, or need advanced user permissions. It's better for complex setups and teams. Some people actually use both, Dokploy for deployments and Portainer for container management. Both are excellent tools and completely free to try. Dokploy makes self-hosting feel like using Versal, and Portainer gives you complete control over your Docker environment. Start with the one that matches your main goal, and you can always add the other later. Happy self-hosting!